me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. I actually just posted my recommendations video for the Sephora savings event, so I will definitely leave that there for you to go check out. But if you want to see what I actually got, let's go. Okay, so first up, I had to restock on my girl. This is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in the shade Universal. I use this as a powder. I think I just told y'all, ooh, not the thing fell out. I just ran out of the last one that I was using, and at this point, I have probably been through 4, 5, 6 of these. I did use this today, so it's already been used, but yeah, I'm a stick beside her. Because there's a very big difference between when I use this in my makeup and when I don't use this in my makeup. So I had to stock up on another one. And speaking of Danessa Myricks, I didn't purchase this, but it was sent to me. But I know it's like a hot ticket item. And it's available at Sephora, so let me show it to you guys right now. This is the Danessa Myricks 3 Steps to Yummy Skin Radiant Skin. So she has come out with Minnie's very cute packaging, very travel friendly, and inside you get a mini glow serum. This is a primer. This is very cute under makeup if you like more glowy makeup. There is the 10 out of 10 barrier booster serum. This is a really good skincare product to wear under makeup. And then there is a little mini blurring balm. I believe this is the Radiance formula. I wasn't necessarily a fan of the Radiant, like this version is the Radiant one, and then the other one is the matte version. So there are 2 different options, and this was a very hot ticket item. So if you didn't know, I'm letting you know that it's available at Sephora. Go ahead and get you one. Okay, up next, this is the Prada Conceal Blurring Micro Correcting Concealer in the shade DN7. And shout out to one of my subscribers. I don't remember what video it was in, but one of you mentioned that you use this concealer religiously. And I actually was going to get the Charlotte Tilbury concealer that just came out that everyone's been talking about, but I saw that comment and then I went to go look at it. I saw the reviews and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and get the product, because also the Prada one is more expensive than the Charlotte Tilbury. So this is what it looks like. I do have it on my face today. This is also not the first day that I have used this concealer. And listen, they ain't lying. They ain't lying with their reviews. This is a very nice concealer. I do have it mixed in with the Patrick Ta concealer right now, but it blends really nicely. It looks really nice on the face. Shout out to you. I don't remember who you were, but if you're watching this one, shout out to you. Okay, it's gonna be really random because I have been telling y'all for like the last year and a half-ish that I was switching to a brow pen to do my eyebrows. But for some reason, I had asked Drea like what she uses to do her brows, and she said she uses the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is not new to me. I feel like if you've been doing makeup for a good little minute, you have tried this product at some point. And I always find it funny when I end up having to repurchase things that I have tried before, because it's like, I don't know, maybe my opinion has changed, my experience with makeup has changed, I'll give you another shot. But I bought a Brow Wiz in Granite, which is supposed to be like black, because I don't know what it is, but like my brows lately have been irritating me because the color, it just gives off. And even right now, I'm not sure if I fixed it, but I think I fixed it more than what I've been feeling like with my brows lately. I don't know. It's just, I feel like my brows have been giving brownish something with the products that I've been using, and I want black. You don't want too harsh of brows, but I want like closer to my actual hair color. So if you haven't seen the Brow Wiz before, this is what it looks like. The only thing I don't like about like brow pencils like this is that they go very quickly. But that is a swatch of what, baby, you can't even see that. That is a swatch of what Granite looks like. Can't give y'all too much because there's not going to be any product left. But I'm going to test this out and see if I like this more than I have liked a brow pen, and I will keep you guys updated on that one. And I think the last makeup product I got, very unusual purchase for me because I didn't even know that this company made makeup products, but it's from Laneige. It is their Neo Essential Blurring Finish Powder. I said, wait a minute, they have a powder. This is what it looks like. And when it's on my face today as well. When you open it up, a little mirror in there, a little puff, open it up here. And since I've tried this before, you will push down here. I'm not going to do it because the product comes up very easily, and the product will come up. Can you see? Ooh, ooh. Can you see that? But it is a like white powder, so I'm treading lightly with how I test it. But so far, so good. It's I bought it because it looked like a really good blurring powder. And again, went through the review. Now here's the thing with Sephora reviews. A lot of them are like, it was sent to me for review. And even though people would like to claim, right, that everyone wants to claim they hate influencers because they're so easily purchased. Baby, read through some of those reviews for people who received it for free, and you can understand. If some people did have the opportunity to be a Jaclyn Hill, something like that, they do 10 times worse. Because, girl, that's why you really got to pay attention to the really good reviews and the really bad reviews. Because while we're talking about really bad reviews, with the Danessa minis that came out, I guess there was some type of mix-up where they had switched the SKUs on the products. So if you ordered matte, Sephora was sending you the radiant, and if you ordered the radiant, Sephora was sending you the matte version. Now, obviously, that doesn't have anything to do with Danessa Myricks. You contact Sephora customer service, and I did see people who had that issue saying that either they, you know, refunded their money, or they refunded their money, let them keep the product, sent them another version of it. Like, they were obviously fixing that, right? But no, we're not going to use common sense. We are going to go leave Danessa's product a 1-star review because the retailer sent you the wrong product. And then people are talking about some, oh, well, they're doing that to get Sephora's attention. I fear that's not how that works. That is not how that works. You're plummeting Danessa's rating by doing that. So you really got to pay attention to, just actually read the reviews. Do not go by just, oh, it has 5 stars. It has 1 star. Read the reviews. Okay, up next, I've been talking about this for a good little minute. This is the Fenty Butta Drop Hydrating Body Milk. However, this is the original one. Like I told you guys, the vanilla one smells like the vanilla body cream. This is just the regular one that smells like the original Butta Drop. So purple, pinkish, like, you know, they stick together with those scents. This is a very good lotion, a very everyday lotion. So if you don't want to smell like that kind of sweet vanilla with the other scent, go ahead and get this one. This could just be a very throw on and go, school, work, lunch, outing, whatever it is. This actually might be my favorite lotion. It might be, yeah. And since we're sticking on body care, I guess, this is from Rare Beauty. It is their Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Mousse to Oil. I believe I talked about this in one of those, like, let's talk about new products videos. So this is what it looks like. Very cute packaging. I have not actually tried. Oh. Kind of has a little floral scent to it. But that's what it looks like. Wait a minute. Wait, hold on. See, now we're gonna have to do another video, like really testing that out. It kind of has like a citrusy floral scent to it. A little more mature of a scent. But we're gonna have to investigate further with that one. But Rare, they might have done something. I kind of feel like this with the Fenty lotion. We're gonna test it out. Okay, and the last thing I got is also a product that I feel is kind of off for the brand, because I only knew the brand to be hair care, but apparently brands are exploring all options this year. This is from Amika. This is their Shower Thoughts Soft Silky Body Wash. Wait a minute. Oh. The packaging is very cute. How do you open it? Ciao. Oh, I'm not sure if I smell anything. Okay, nothing like too sweet, too floral. Kind of just smells like body wash, like clean. I like the scent though. I will keep y'all updated on how I feel about this, because yes, there is a difference with body washes. You know, does it lather? Does it just kind of sit there and just kind of feel like film or whatnot on your skin. I'm actually excited to try this. I'll use this tonight. So if you did not catch me giving out the information before, the event has been going since the 10th, but today is actually the first day that VIB can purchase. So if you are Rouge, you get 20% off up until the 20th. If you are VIB, you get 15% off up until the 20th. And if you are an insider, you get 10% off starting today up until the 20th. Now, the entire Sephora collection is 30% off up until the 20th, and the code you will use is spring sale. And I believe they have like other things like shipping and whatnot, but any other information you guys need to know will be in the description down below. Everything that I showed you guys in today's video will be in the description down below. Definitely let me know what else you guys picked up, or what you have an idea of picking up what's in your cart, just because, you know, like you can use the code more than once. So TT can always make another purchase. So yeah, meet me in the comments and we can go ahead and have a little chat. But make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.